Are you looking for the best folding electric scooter? In this video we will look at some of the best folding electric scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Segway Ninebot E45. The next item on our list is the updated version of a classic from Segway, the Ninebot E45 electric kick scooter. Since it comes from a respected brand in the industry, we knew that the E45 will not disappoint. First of all, this electric scooter only weighs a little over 35 pounds. It uses an aerospace-graded aluminum to achieve this durable yet lightweight construction. It can also hold up to a maximum weight of 220 pounds, which is quite impressive. Working hand in hand with its lightweight construction is its foldable design. Segway has perfected the one-push folding design for its models, and this wasn't left out with the E45. Thus, even a teenager can fold and carry this electric scooter with just one hand. The Segway Ninebot E45 electric kick scooter is built with a 700-watt motor that powers the scooter to run at speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour. It can also travel a maximum distance of 28 miles when it's fully charged, which is a pretty decent range. Number 2. Hiboy S2R. The Hiboy S2R comes in an exquisite black framework and weighs only about 30.8 lbs. It can easily endure a max load of 220 lbs. The portable folding design and detachable battery arrangement make it possible to fit in compact and small storage spaces. It features a powerful motor of 350W, which is a lot more than most other electric scooters out there. It's an electric brushless hub motor and it gives a max speed of 19 miles per hour. You can replace the S2RS battery mid-journey to get double the mile range if you want. A single charged battery will give you about 17 miles of services in total. So you can get double that range with an extra battery to survive any long trips without much pause. Number 3. UNAGI Model 1 E500. For those who are looking for an eye-catching best lightweight portable electric scooter, the UNAGI Model 1 E500 electric scooter is perfect choice for you. With its colorful frame, futuristic design and intuitive control panel, there's no doubt that this e-scooter will make you the talk of the town. Aside from its striking aesthetic, the UNAGI Model 1 E500 is also one of the most lightweight items on this list. Weighing only a little over 26 pounds, this is one electric scooter that can surely be carried around by a teenager with one hand. As a result, it's one of the best entry-level electric scooter for both adults and teens. It uses a 500-watt motor that allows it to go as fast as 20 miles per hour. It can also cover a distance of 15.5 miles, which is enough for leisurely cruising around the neighborhood, running errands, or visiting friends. Number 4. Gyroor HR9. Products from the Gyroor brand have made quite a name for themselves in the market over the years. And the Gyroor HR9 portable electric scooter is not any different. When it comes to being lightweight and foldable at the same time, the HR9 commuting fold-up electric scooter for adults from Gyroor is definitely a worthy contender. Gyroor's HR9 is part of the company's newly launched H series. It's the series that focuses on high-performance electric scooters, and it's been doing a good job so far. The HR9 can conquer a distance of up to 23 miles in one sitting until the battery runs out. It requires a 36V10R lithium-ion battery and it comes included with the scooter. Like the battery, the HR9 has an upgraded motor as well. It includes a powerful 380W motor that is capable of propelling scooter to a maximum speed of 19 miles per hour. Even though it's a high-performance motor with high torque, it still maintains a low power consumption rate. And that is great attention to detail. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Pro. Hiboy makes yet another appearance, but with the S2 Pro this time. If you thought S2R wasn't up to the mark for your needs, be sure to check out the high-quality S2 Pro and its exquisite features. Unlike the S2R, the S2 Pro can carry up to 260 lbs. in load capacity, which is slightly higher than the previous one. In reference, it has a net weight of 36.3 lbs. With 10 solid tires and an aluminum frame, such a lightweight combo is pretty amazing. Again, since the tires are comparatively sturdier due to the special alloy spring steels, you need not worry about any puncture anytime soon. Even on rocky and uneven surfaces, these shock-absorbing wheels can take of themselves and give you a smooth and polished ride. The S2 Pro has a great battery performance. It comes with a 40-watt 36V11 point for a lithium-ion battery. At full capacity, it will give you a maximum range of 25.6 miles, which is pretty impressive for a lightweight electric scooter.